Hello everyone, this is a eBay electronics test for a Brother typewriter, SX-4000 electronic LCD display typewriter with dictionary. It has its original box, no original packing material, the original manual, user's guide, and I have already plugged in the typewriter and started testing. You see it works perfectly there. The power switch is on the side, just like all these typewriters. In this item, it works tremendously. I can show you here. It works. Oh, I don't know where the percent sign is. I'm getting too cute. Oh, there it is. There we go. So watch. I just type that. Works 100%. The only ribbon that comes with it is the ribbon that's in it, but these are readily available for inexpensive. And that is it. I hope you enjoy the typewriter if you purchase it. Thank you.